INFJs don't pick careers. We absorb them. We walk into a job and instantly feel whether it's aligned, draining, or slowly killing our spirit. And with AI changing the entire job market, most people are panicking. But INFJs, we're actually becoming more valuable than ever. Today, I'm showing you 8 careers where INFJs rise, not by working harder, but by pairing their intuition with AI tools that finally protect their energy and amplify their impact. And to bring this to life, I used HeyGen's AI to visually step into each career you're about to see, outfits, settings, everything, so you can see exactly where INFJs thrive. Hello everyone, I'm Lisa Nahr, and if you've ever tried choosing a career as an INFJ, you know how confusing it feels. Everything is either too chaotic, too shallow, or just too loud for your soul. Yeah. Welcome to the INFJ career paradox, but here's the plot twist. AI didn't eliminate INFJ-friendly careers. It actually made the right ones far more powerful than ever. So today, I'm not just listing careers. I'm transforming into 8 different roles, visually, mentally, and emotionally, so you can see exactly what these jobs look like from the inside and how AI can help INFJs thrive without burnout, overwhelm, or self-sacrifice. If you're ready to discover the jobs that fit your intuition, your empathy, and your depth, and learn how AI can turn each one into a peaceful, profitable workflow, then let's begin. Career number 1 turns an INFJ's emotional intelligence into actual, measurable success. Career number 1, therapist, counselor. Let me start with a quick scenario. Imagine sitting across from someone who hasn't told the truth to anybody in years, but for some reason, they tell it to you. Welcome to the INFJ therapist experience. INFJs are emotional detectives. We hear the tone under the tone. We see the pain under the smile. And we track patterns in someone's story that they didn't even know were connected. Our Ni and Fei functions work like a quiet, emotional MRI machine. But here's the problem. INFJs get burned out because emotional work is deep, heavy, and constant. This is where AI becomes a lifesaver. AI can handle the things that drain INFJs most, like taking notes, organizing case files, recognizing emotional patterns in client language, and helping you prepare for sessions without losing hours of energy. Tools like Otter, Fireflies, and Therapy Notes with AI help you document sessions without reliving every emotional detail. AI journaling tools give your clients guided reflections between sessions so you don't have to carry their emotional weight 7 days a week. And suddenly, your empathy isn't your exhaustion, it's your superpower again. If this career speaks to you, start small. Certifications, telehealth, online counseling. Use AI as your assistant so you can focus on what matters most, the human being in front of you. Career number 2, creative writer, author. Let me paint another picture. You write a sentence, delete it, rewrite it, delete it again, and somehow the first one was the best. If that's you, congratulations. You're an INFJ writer. INFJs are natural storytellers because we don't write words, we write meaning, symbolism, emotion, intuition, human psychology. It all blends inside us. But INFJs get stuck because our ideas are too big or too layered. This is where AI becomes the perfect creative partner. AI can help you outline books, build characters, create worlds, test dialogue, and even edit your writing without changing your voice. It removes the blocks, not the creativity. Tools like Pseudowrite, Claude, and ChatGPT can help you structure the story in your head so your imagination isn't fighting your perfectionism. And once your book is ready, AI can help design your cover, format your interior, and prepare your launch through Amazon KDP. As an INFJ writer, AI isn't your replacement. AI, it's your scaffolding. Career number 3, mediator, conflict strategist. Now picture this, 2 people are arguing. One thinks they're right, The other knows they're right. Meanwhile, you're the only one who sees what's actually happening. That's the INFJ mediator. INFJs are quietly gifted at diffusing conflict because we understand everyone's side without needing to take a side. We see intentions, wounds, triggers, and the emotional history behind the argument. But conflict resolution is draining, emotionally and mentally. AI can help here in surprising ways. You can use AI to simulate difficult conversations, run negotiation scenarios, analyze emotional tone in messages, and even predict how certain responses might be received. Crystal Knows, ChatGPT role plays, and sentiment analysis tools can help you prepare without draining your mental energy. You don't have to walk into every conflict blind. AI gives you clarity before you even enter the room. If you're an INFJ who loves fairness, peace, and emotional insight, this career is powerful, especially with AI as your behind-the-scenes strategist. Pause. Because this next one, it's the career INFJs overlook, and it might be their golden ticket. Career number 4, UX researcher, experience strategist. Let me give you this scene. You pick up an app and instantly know why people hate using it. The buttons feel wrong. The flow feels confusing. The emotion of the design doesn't match the message. That's an INFJ's intuition working in real time. INFJs thrive in UX because we understand the emotional experience of users. We see what people need before they ask for it. We sense frustration before they express it. AI supports UX research beautifully. It runs heat maps, predicts user behavior, conducts usability testing, and transforms feedback into insights without the INFJ burnout. Tools like User Testing AI, Figma plugins, Usered, and Maze help you create empathetic, intuitive design experiences without hours of manual data analysis. Combine your INFJ insight with AI efficiency, and you become unstoppable in this field. Career number 5, life strategist, personal development coach. Another quick moment. Have you ever given someone advice you didn't even know you had? And that one moment changed their entire direction? That's INFJ coaching energy. INFJs see who someone can become, not just who they currently are, but coaching can be overwhelming if you try to carry every client's emotional story. AI helps you stay grounded. It helps you create personalized plans, track progress, suggest reflection questions, and organize client breakthroughs so you don't have to memorize everything. Tools like Notion AI, Mindsera, Perplexity, and Claude can help you craft powerful coaching experiences with less emotional drain. This career is perfect for INFJs who want purpose, impact, and connection without sacrificing their entire nervous system. If you've never felt professionally understood before, the next role might shock you. Career number 6, creative director, visual consultant. Imagine this. You see colors, emotion, meaning, and story before you even see the object itself. That's a creative director's mind, and INFJs have it naturally. INFJs direct visually the way we feel internally: symbolic, aesthetic, purposeful. AI is your creative toolbox. You can generate mood boards, visual concepts, storyboards, branding ideas, and campaign aesthetics in minutes. Midjourney, Runway ML, Adobe Firefly, and Canva AI help INFJs bring the worlds in their minds into reality. This is the perfect career for INFJs who think in visuals and feel in metaphors. Let's slow down, because the career after this one requires a different kind of INFJ talent. Career number 7, investigative analyst, social insight specialist. Let's shift the scene. You walk into a room and immediately pick up patterns in behavior long before anyone speaks. You observe dynamics, motivations, authenticity, subtext, and emotional patterns. This is the INFJ analyst. INFJs naturally read psychology, but AI helps you read data. Together, it's a superpower. AI can analyze trends, cluster patterns, summarize massive data sets, and reveal hidden insights that INFJs intuitively understand but can now articulate with evidence. Tools like BrandWatch, Tableau with AI, ChatGPT, and Notion AI make this job efficient and deeply satisfying. If you love human behavior, this is your lane. All right, breathe. Because the next job is the one INFJs secretly dream about but rarely choose. Career number 8, spiritual guide, mindfulness practitioner. Let me give you one more image. You've been coaching people spiritually since childhood. You didn't call it that, but everyone came to you for grounding, clarity, or emotional peace. That's the INFJ healer archetype. AI actually enhances this career beautifully. You can generate meditation scripts, create personalized affirmation tracks, develop emotional healing plans, and build guided journaling paths for your audience. Tools like Moobert, CalmMind, ChatGPT, and Youper help you create deep emotional experiences without draining your own energy. This career is perfect for INFJs who want a path of meaning, compassion, and intuitive wisdom. INFJs don't just look for jobs. We look for callings. We look for alignment. We look for purpose. And for the first time in history, AI is giving INFJs permission to build careers that protect our energy while amplifying our insight. You don't need to be louder. You don't need to be tougher. You don't need to force yourself into the wrong environment. You just need a path aligned with your intuition, supported by the right tools. And if this video helped you see yourself differently today, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to go even deeper into your INFJ mind, my ebook, Inside the Mind of INFJ, is available right now on Amazon. Your depth isn't too much. It's your compass, and it's time to follow it.